we are sitting in front of BuyHatke.com's co-founders. We are team executive authority representing in CSE. So in front of us is Prashant Singh, co-founder of BuyHatke.com. Okay, so let's start the interview. So the first question to you is, when was this company founded?
So this company was founded in 2012, August 2012.
August 2012. So, I saw the website. What is the aim of your company?
So it basically does price comparison. So whenever a user wants to purchase something online, so there are so many portals, and it's very confusing and it's very problematic to find out where he can get the best deal. So he can just come to buyhatke.com. He can enter the query enter the product name which he is looking for and get the best deal automatically.
So we have gone through many websites like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, Shopcluse.
Yeah.
This was something different. Means we got a website which could compare all the prices from all the four to five websites. Means the main 4 to 5 websites.
So it not only does for 4 to 5 websites, we compare across 70 different portals.
Okay, 70 different portals.
Yes.
That's huge. And what brought you to think of such a website? We did not have such a website which could compare more than so many websites altogether. But you are doing this. What idea did come to your mind? Some problem might have come.
Yeah, we actually face the same problem in our daily life. Like while purchasing goods for gifting to our friends, we face the same problem ourselves. So we try to solve it universally for all the users.
Okay. And when you started in August 2012, it is now February 2014, more than 1.5 years. Yeah. So you must have faced some problems in the initial phase. We would like to know what kind of problems you faced.
So starting with the technology stack improved significantly from when we started. So initially, product price comparison is a very difficult science. Matching products from 70 different portals is challenging, and when we are doing it at a scale of 25 million products, okay, that is very challenging. So in a way, we are building the Google for online shopping in India. We are building a search engine in itself. So that is challenging.
So covering all the products, keeping their prices updated, that's a challenge. Many other price comparison sites you will see, their prices are not updated. That's because Amazon, Flipkart, etc. change their prices twice or thrice in a day. So it's very difficult to keeping in pace with the frequency they change price and do it for all the products. So that's the major challenge.
So you passed out of IT Kharagpur in the year 2013.
Yeah.
So you didn't go for placements, rather than you came for entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
So our question, you are representing the entrepreneurship cell of RVCE. So our question to you is, how do you rate entrepreneurship over the normal placements? Why do you think that entrepreneurship is more important than the placements?
So the first point is it gives you a pleasure. In other normal jobs, you will be given some project to do, and that project will be a small part of very large product. So you have no idea what you are doing. You are just given a job and you are completing it. In this part, you think from top to bottom. You know everything about your product, how it will reach to people, how it will solve their problem. So it gives you a kind of passion, and that's why it's very pleasing to do.
Our last question to you, what message would you like to give the aspiring entrepreneurs?
See, many people see entrepreneurship as they will have their own company, they will make money out of it. But that is not, to begin with, that is very bad approach. I will suggest people they should first come up with some idea which will actually solve a problem. If you start a startup only to earn money, it won't last long. So I think the first thing is you have to identify a problem and you have to solve it. Once you are done with that, you can think for revenue and all.
So the first approach should be coming up with an idea and not the money part.
Yeah.
Thank you for this, and we hope that BuyHatke.com achieves all the glories and becomes one of the biggest portals on the World Wide Web. Thank you.